Hi, plant buddies. Today is an exciting day. I have received my first plant mail of the season. It can be a little bit iffy ordering plants this time of year in Minnesota. We actually started out the day very spring-like and warm today, and then it stormed, and by the time I got off work today, it was in the mid 40s Fahrenheit. And I knew these plants were coming, so I was a little bit worried about the cooler temperatures before I arrived home to get the package. But they look like they should be in good shape. So these are from House of Agave, which is a woman-owned business based in Austin, Texas. And I believe they do ship plants to the lower 48 United States. Their web address is houseofagave.shop. So again, I'm very excited to receive my first plant mail of the year. And I did get some succulents today. So let's take a look at what we've got. First off, I see a heat pack on the top here, which again can be very important this time of year in Minnesota or other Midwestern and cold climates. But it looks like inside of the large shipping box here, we have two smaller boxes. So I will first remove those. Oh, nice. There's actually two heat packs in here as well. One underneath those as well here. But since we have got the plants out of here, we don't need this anymore. I love it. I haven't gotten to do an unboxing video and throw the box since the beginning of December. So, but yeah, let's get a look at the plants here. Again, very excited. First shipment of spring for me here, first shipment of the year for me. Okay, just want to kind of see which plants are in which box. So I know what should be in this one. I see two in that first box. Oh, wow. Okay. That one is getting saved for last, definitely. This box is the plant that I was super excited about, have wanted for a while. And it is also larger than I realized it was going to be. So we'll take a look at the two smaller guys first here. So the first one here is an Apuntia, or common name for that is the bunny ear cactus, and it is adorable. It looks so soft. I kind of want to touch it, but with Apuntia, they have these little like little round spots, which is where the spikes are. And it is not fun if you touch those because they will leave lots of little pokers in your hand, and they're tiny and hard to get out. So, but yeah, it's a cute little guy here. And I think I've had one of these at some point, probably back when I was in high school, so it's been a while. But that is kind of how I familiarized with the little spike pads, and I know not to touch those, even though they look very soft and cute and fuzzy. And then the other one, I am gearing up to hopefully do my next terrarium build this weekend. And it just so happens that this would be a really good plant for the terrarium. I don't know if I have enough room for another one in there, but This is a kind of red colored um, ripple leaf peperomia. And I apologize, I do forget the more scientific name for these, but I always see these labeled as ripple peperomia. And this one is kind of the reddish shade. And it's got the very textured leaves. And I do believe that some of her plants ship from Florida. Oh, I forgot I already tossed the box over there, but it looked like the shipment was kind of fulfilled in Florida. Um, I think they may ship either from there or from Texas when you order, if I understand correctly. But yeah, we've got the cute little red peperomia here. And there is one more plant in this box. And this is one I've kind of been wanting for a while. I kind of figured I would be purchasing this one at some point in 2026. I believe these used to be a tad bit on the expensive side at some point in time, just like a lot of plants. But I noticed that uh, in recent years here, the price has gone down. And I want to be very careful. I don't want to hurt this beautiful euphorbia. We have the white ghost euphorbia. And I've always thought that these are extremely beautiful. Again, I do think at some point a few years ago they tended to be on the pricey side, but I honestly thought that this was going to be one that you'd more typically find at a store. So I really thought it would be like one little strand of it about this, about yay tall. But this one already have lots and lots of arms on it. And I feel like depending on how much light these plants get, they can kind of vary as to how ghost-like they are. But this one is super, super, super white, very pretty. And like I was saying, definitely a lot bigger than what I was seeing in the picture on the website. It is absolutely gorgeous. Very excited for this one. So I should maybe do a little close up on each of these guys here. So this one again this is the Apuntia, or the bunny ear cactus right here. See those soft but deceiving little fuzzy looking sets of spikes on there. This one is the red peperomia right here. Kind of a dark red, almost burgundy. But that is one of those ripple peperomia with the very textured leaves. Kind of like your peperomia frost, for example, but just kind of one of the red shaded versions of that. Very pretty. And it looks like the heat packs definitely did their job. These look like they're in good shape. And then the one I was most excited for, the white ghost euphorbia right here. And look at all those branches. Again, from the picture on the website, I was kind of expecting to get something that was, maybe that tall, and didn't really have any arms or just had some tiny arms. But look at all these arms on this euphorbia. And again, how very, very white at how variegated it is as well. That is just gorgeous. I'm very excited for this one. This is definitely my favorite of my shipment here. But yeah, just look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, very ghostly white ghost euphorbia. Again, with lots and lots of arms. So that was a successful first plant mail of 2026, I would say. Again, I should be working on my terrarium video this weekend, so I'm very much hoping that that will premiere tomorrow on Saturday. I am filming this on Friday when these plants arrived. Um, I'm not 100% sure when this one will go on YouTube. It may still be tonight. Otherwise, more than likely, this may come out on Sunday. So yeah, I am very excited that it is starting to get warm enough to receive plant mail again. Um, I am kind of trying to be a little bit more choosy in what I add to my collection this year. If you saw my video last Saturday, I did mention that I somehow have crept up to having 200 plants in my house. So it can be a little bit hard to care for them all at times. Nice thing with these succulent is that they definitely do not need to be watered as frequently as tropical plants like philodendron or aglaonema. Um, I should mention House of Agave does have lots of different types of plants, including philodendron, aglaonema. I think I saw begonias on there. But again, I was kind of trying to add some more succulents to my collection, and in particular this gorgeous euphorbia here. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed spending some time unboxing these plants today from House of Agave. Again, if you would like to check out their website, it is at houseofagave.shop. And yeah, hopefully maybe they may still have some more of these euphorbia on there. I very highly recommend. But but yeah, again, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video with me today. And I will see you guys next time with another planty video. Bye.